Peter, I've always been curious. How exactly do modern smartphones process all that data so quickly? It seems almost magical for a device of that size.
Well, Stewie, it's all thanks to a combination of very advanced hardware and clever software. The core component is the CPU, or central processing unit. These days, smartphones use multi-core processors, sometimes with 8 or more cores, which means they can handle multiple tasks at once. They're built with tiny transistors, billions of them made using nanometer-scale fabrication.
Wait, what about those transistors? How do they actually work? Are they like tiny switches?
Exactly. Transistors are like microscopic electronic switches that turn on and off to represent bits, joules and once. When millions of transistors work together, they perform complex calculations. Modern processors also use cache memory, fast, small storage near the CPU, to reduce the time it takes to access data. This is why your phone can load apps instantly. It's all about optimizing data flow and minimizing latency.
And how does this relate to the phone's ability to handle things like high-res videos or gaming?
Great question. It's all about the GPU, or graphics processing unit, which is specialized for rendering images and video. Modern GPUs have thousands of cores dedicated to parallel processing, making them perfect for rendering complex 3D environments in games or decoding high-res videos. Plus, with dedicated neural processing units, NPUs, phones can handle AI tasks like voice recognition or image processing more efficiently without bogging down the main CPU.
Fascinating. So, in essence, these tiny chips are like miniature armies of processors working together. But how do they communicate so fast within the device?
They connect through high-speed buses like the system bus or interconnects. Think of them as data highways. Modern smartphones use the ARM architecture, which is optimized for low power consumption but still delivers impressive performance. The data moves back and forth through these highways at gigahertz speeds, which is why you get instant responses.
I must admit, I'm quite impressed. Your explanation reveals a level of technological understanding I would not have expected from someone in your position.
Well, Stewie, I might be a big dumb guy, but I did read this one time about microprocessors in a magazine. Turns out I've picked up a thing or two.